Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and today I'm gonna show you the mints that I love to keep in my purse. These are the Icebreakers mints, Coolmint flavor. These are some of the best mints that I tried so far because sometimes my mouth feels like very dry, and if I take one of these mints, the problem is solved, literally. My mouth feels like fresh and cold, and I love that. These Icebreakers mints have a cool mint flavor. That's why I don't get tired of the taste. And also it has lots of mints, and that's great because I can share with others if I want. So if you're looking for mints that leaves your breath feeling fresh, cold, and with a good taste, I highly recommend this one. These are the Icebreakers mints, Coolmint flavor. I love this so much. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.